Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I made these Totoro Tsum Tsums out of hardy air dry clay. So here I have a shape of a ball and I'm going to roll it so it's a little more of an oval shape. Then I'm just going to pinch to make the ears on each side. Try to blend as best as you can. I found out that when I try to blend it too much, these hair-like particles would show up, and some areas were harder to blend than others. So here's the final results. As you can see, the hairs stick out and some areas weren't blended well as others. So here's the second one. I made it just the same way as the first one. Once again, I'm going to show you guys how I made it, but a smaller version. Let it sit overnight until it's dry and hardened. These are the 3 acrylic paints that I will be using to paint on the air dry clay. Now I'm going to blend black and white to get the color gray that I want. You can use a darker or a lighter tone of gray, but I like mine a bit darker. Now I'm just gonna paint on the whole entire thing gray. After it dries, paint a large white oval on the bottom like so. Apply as many layers as you would like. Then paint on 3 upside down V's using the same gray paint. Then I'm gonna use the black to paint on the face. For the second one, I'm just repeating the process, but instead I'm using blue paint. Then we're going to use the back of a paintbrush to paint on the face. Then I decided to use red paint for the blush. For the small one, we're just going to leave it as it is and we're just going to paint on the face. And here's the final results of all three.